Hey y'all, welcome to my first hair video ever. I am showing you guys how I do my 2-strand twists. So I'm going to start off by taking my hair down that I had braided up because I didn't have my hair finished and I wanted to show you guys how I do it, so I stopped doing my hair. I am using a wide tooth comb to just comb through it to make sure there's no tangles or anything. I used Shea Moisture to wash and condition my hair, so it's pretty soft. I usually just use Dawn soap and coconut oil, which does almost the exact same thing. But anyway, so now I'm going to part my hair using my big comb that I popped the teeth out the front because that's the best parting comb to use. I know, I can use a cute little rat tail or all that, but I'm telling y'all, pop the teeth out of a big comb and you're gonna have the best parting comb you've ever seen in your entire life. Which I'm sure they sell combs that are already pre-parted, but child, I got that comb for like 25 cents at the beauty supply store, so whatever, it's up to you. My channel is all about living our best financial lives. So next I'm gonna use that exact same comb to lock my hair down. So I kind of just twist it and I put the StyleFactor LockBooster. It's twist and grip styling solution. It works really good. I usually use like edge control, but I saw this stuff and it works better, but it's not good for edge control, so don't try to use it for edge control. It's not gonna hold you down unless you get the StyleFactor Edge Booster, but this is Lock Booster. Anyway, part that thing up, put some Lock Booster on it, and this will make it too faster when you're actually doing your hair, so you don't have to sit around trying to part every 2 seconds, because girl, it'll already be done. You know what I'm saying? If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready, period. Next, this is how I part the hair, the Marley hair, so that, when you twist it, it gives you that nice long tail at the end of your twist instead of that like tapered in look. It looks really bad. So you just pull it apart to kind of like fluff it out, and then you're gonna make 2 pieces and then connect the ends of the 2 pieces in the middle to make one long piece, like so. Look at that. Wow. So next I just put the Marley hair that I just parted over the top of one of the sections, and I just start braiding it up a little bit. Put some more Lock Booster on my hair because I want the hair to kind of mesh with the Marley hair. And I don't know why sis was getting tangled like she was, but don't worry, she came out looking cute, honey. Came through dripping, drip, drip. So just braid that thing up. Just a few. Don't braid the whole entire thing. Just braid maybe like 4 or 5 times. Then once you get it, you're gonna flip your hair over the top of the Marley hair and just twist, twist, twist. Okay, that's all you gotta do. Twist, keep twisting till you get to the very end of your hair, or the very end of the Marley hair actually. And we're gonna do the same thing with the next part. You're gonna braid over, braid about 5 times, 5 to 6 times. And also, it really depends on how long your hair. Like, if your hair isn't as long as mine, you can't get 5 or 6 times, that's okay. If your hair is much longer than mine and you feel like you need to braid a little bit more because you want it to be braided more, that's up to you. I just braid it because I like the security of the twist not slipping out. But I also braid extremely tight so that you can't tell that I actually braided. You just think that it's twisted. Right now, I'm fixing that part because it didn't feel right, so I fixed it. Now it's straight, and then I'm also going to connect the 2 at the very end instead of it just being 1 and 2. Now it's just 1. I use some Lock Booster to connect them, and then I did the same thing that I've been doing, child. Just braid that thing up And you see how I mix that together so I can get my twist going? You're going to twist that thing up. So you just kind of flip it over to twist. And now you're just going to twist all the way down like you did the rest of your hair. And there you have it. You guys did 2-strand twists.